An input-output table is shown below. Determine the rule required to get from each input to its corresponding output. Is it A, multiply by 5,000? Is it B, multiply by 50? Is it C, multiply by 500? Or is it D, multiply by 5? Well, each of these is multiply by some number. So let's put the multiplication symbol after each of our input values. Now let's compare the numbers that we have. We have 8 and 4. We might come back to that. 2 and 1. May again come back to that. 1 and 5. And 4 and 2. Well, the one that's easy to figure out is 1,000. The 1 in 1,000 to 5. We're multiplying it by 5 something. So if we put a 5 here, we would have 4 times 5, which is 20. Okay, that still works. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, that still works. 8 times 5 is 40. It does still work. Now we have to examine the extra zeros that we have. So 80 has one extra zero. So that takes care of this extra zero that's here, leaving us with 3 zeros that we would need to multiply by, or 3 base 10s that we would need to multiply by. And 3 10s being multiplied together is equivalent to 1,000. So if we put 3 zeros after the 5 to make it 5,000, this will indeed work. The same holds true for the second one. 3 zeros means 10 times 10 times 10, or an extra 1,000 that we're multiplying by. So instead of just 5, it's 5,000. And then this 1,000 has 3 zeros, so that accounts for these 3. And again, we have 3 extra zeros. So if we multiply 1,000 by 5,000, we will indeed get 5 million. And then 40 has 1 zero, so that takes care of this 0 that's here. And we have 3 again left over. So if we multiply 40 times 5,000, we will indeed get 200,000. So our answer choice here is A. We're multiplying each of these input values by 5,000 to get each output value.